Defender Limited HD11. This is the all-new model and probably one of my most favorite to date. Let's do a quick walk around. We just released some all-new products for this rig. Starting up top is the Defender HD11 front bumper, completely new design, and I personally love it. OEM Winch is here. What's really unique about this is you have so many different options when it comes to this front bumper. OEM Winch down here, or you can relocate it in here, tucked behind the panel. You can throw a 12-inch dual row light bar back there, massive D-rings. You got a bull bar here that's gonna protect that radiator down in here, and CNC laser cuts, so you can throw extra lighting if you wanna utilize your OEM winch into the bumper itself. Down below, we're running a massive 35-inch tire on this thing. There's no lift, there's no portals. All there is a Thumper Fab long travel suspension kit. Come a little bit closer. Customizable accent tabs will start right there. But I want you to get in close and look at how beefy these arms are. It's a box design, King Cobra axles. It's gonna change your performance, your durability, everything about this machine. All I can say is it's like driving a Cadillac through the trails. All new design for the Can-Am Defender Nerf Rails. These are our elite Nerf Rails for the HD11. It's going to fall into the cab, into your floorboard, very protective, very durable. You can stand on these, access everything up top. We'll circle back right there. Right here, you have your step coming in so you can get into your bed. They fall underneath of the machine and act as a skid plate. These doors are very costly. I say it over and over and over. I can't preach at how much these protect your machine. Stepping up to the roof rack up top, we have the T-rails that are customizable, so you can customize those T-rails. You can throw spare tires up there, cargo, duck decoys, deer blinds, anything you can think of to throw up there, and you pair it with these Nerf rails, it's gonna be an easy access to take that step up and get it. Everybody needs a rear bumper, not just for protection, but for a rear winch. Dual row 6-inch light bars tucked behind these customizable accent panels. All of our bumpers are CNC laser cut winch ready. So either you can pick the winch or I can do it for you. Massive D-rings, and you still have the ability to dump the bed. On this HD11, we did the KC HiLiTES on this one. There's several different lighting options that you can choose from on the website to pair up with your roof. So if you're ready to take your all new HD11 from mild to wild, check us out, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.